All right, so step one is to be taking the bottom spacers. These are the ones with the bigger hole. And we'll be taking the machine side and putting that down right over the top of them. On the 6/7 Cummins, the front two main bolts, you have to cut down 300 thou, or else they will hit the oil pan. Now the two rear ones will have a flat side that'll go against the rear main housing. So these will sit in there just like that. Now the next step is to use any straight edge and make sure that all of these are lined up flat, both sides. Do the same thing for all of them. And it can be plus or minus 10 thou, so you can use a feeler gauge to figure that out. Next step is going to be putting the girdle on. And the way you know that these are put on correctly is this machined part right here will be right next to the oil pickup. Next, we'll be taking the stock girdle bolts and installing those. Not tight, just thread them in a little bit. You're gonna wanna skip the two where the oil pickup mounts for now. Now we will be putting the top spacers on. Same thing as the other way, we'll be taking the machine side, putting that down. The back spacer bar, we'll be putting the shallow machine side face down, and then you'll be putting the wide side toward the inside of the engine. Just like that. Next, you'll be taking your fastener assembly lube and lubing all these studs and washers up. I'll also take the stock girdle hardware, put a little on there and right there. Next, we'll just be installing the nuts on top of the studs. The back two will be these 12-point with the machine side so it fits down in the spacer bar. Front 12 will all be nylock nuts. The next step will just be to snug all of the nylock nuts. After all of the girdle nuts are snugged down, you want to verify that the flat points on these top spacers are where they should be, because they can get twisted around and you just want to make sure those are in line with the block. And then the next thing we'll do is just snug down the stock girdle bolts. All right, after you've got all the bolts snugged down, you're going to torque the 12mm ARP studs to 85 foot-pounds. Now, if you have the 14mm studs, you'll be torquing those down to 100 foot-pounds. Okay, now once all the girdle main nuts are torqued, you're going to torque the stock girdle bolts to 35 foot-pounds. And that is how you install a Gorilla girdle on a 5.9 or 6.7 Cummins. And you're good to go.